Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to a video in Canva. First of all, open your Canva application and log into your account. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and choose a video template you'd like to work on, or you can also create a new design and upload a video. Here I already have a pre-existing video clip as a design. Once you are done uploading a video and you'd like to add a text to it, go to the bottom menu and then tap on the text button. Inside text, you will see options for adding headings, subheadings, or body text. You can also choose from the pre-designed text combinations available at the bottom. Choose any one option you'd like, and then once you see the text appearing on your screen, simply go ahead and enter the text you would like to add onto your video. After typing down a text, you can now go ahead and change the color, choose the font style using the tools available at the bottom. If you want to edit the text, you can go to the text box and then make sure to make your edits according to your preference. Adjust the text position by dragging the text layer around the screen and placing it on your desired location. You can also add animations by clicking on the animate option at the bottom while selecting your text layer. Within the animate option, you will be able to see lots of animation options. Go ahead and choose from the pre-made animations and it will be applied to your selected text. After making your edits, you can then go ahead and preview your video by tapping the play button. And that is how you can easily add a text to a video using Canva. That is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.